Welcome to KIDOOZ Zone. Hey kids, gather round. Let's talk today about good habits that'll make you say, yay. Brush your teeth, morning and night, keeps them shiny, keeps them bright. But oh, here comes a bad habit sound. Eating too much candy, your teeth will frown. Eat your veggies, green and fresh, they keep you strong and feeling your best. But skipping breakfast, that's not cool, it leaves you tired and slow in school. So brush, eat, and sleep on time. These good habits will make you shine. Give a like if you agree, and tap subscribe with glee. For more fun tips, come back to see. So remember, kids, keep those good habits going and kick those bad habits away. Like this video if you promise to practice good habits. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching.